Yep, hello YouTube. Tuesday, June 27th. Got about 11 acres of wheat left. I'm kicking her into windrow right now. Getting this ready to bale. Bale some for ourselves, our part-time guy and another guy. And the guy that's baling it wants some more as well. So, kicking her into windrow. Just going through it. This is by far the worst field of wheat. Knew it would be. Just too many deer. Ain't much you can do but the deer. And we're right next to a lake, to the county park. And that's where all the deer are at. So, lovely. But for what it went through, and hell, this is one of the fields that basically you can count on about 75 plus deer a day grazing on this field. So yeah, not much you can do about it. This is where our Milo was at 2 years ago. So yeah, not the perfect thing you want, but it'll have to do and go from there. But it is doing. I'm showing, I'll know more, but I'm showing 64, and I'm thinking, like I said, I think I'm still off on the yield monitor. Everything else has been in the 80s and 90s. I don't think we had a field go over 100. I have to check the scale to get to the 1. Ain't had time, and just kind of not really worried about it until we get done. But that'll be it. Berkey's was coming back out. My planter was still not wanting to cooperate. The wing wheels did not want to come down on the wings, and something else. I forget what it was. Something else. Yeah, I forget what it was. Something else. Oh, and the downforce, which I figure they were all tied together. If the downforce, if the wing wheels went down, the downforce would work. I figure that was something all tied in together as one thing, was my opinion, or my assumption. I don't know how it's measured, but I'm assuming that's all tied to one. So that and auto steer would not work. Could be more operator as well. I don't think it was, but it could have been. So they were going to look at it. Now he said something about if you didn't see an implement behind you, it would not work. So I did not see that behind me. So maybe that was part of it. All I know is when you're planting in double crop beans, you gotta have auto steer, because I couldn't see a blanky blank thing. And it was fairly wet when we was planting. I mean, it was, yeah, it was wet. It was wet. So yeah, it was just a wee bit wet to be planting them, but I just planted around. I wanted to get it started and know what, if anything, somebody had to do to get it going. Sorry, I'm back here in the brush and the trees and the auto steer, or the GPS thing. Ones don't want to kick out because you have no service. I love these fields, and you're the only one that has problems, or that's what they always tell me. So that's all I can think of. So hopefully tomorrow morning I can go plant beans. May try and plant out one field tonight, just to kind of get started and know what I'm going to be up against and make sure it's going to work. Tractor is nice. It is different, very, very different. But I would like to kind of get that one done and just kind of go from there. But we shall see. I'm not sure I'll get there tonight, but we shall see. Who knows? Gonna have our retailer custom side dress, our Milo. They're calling for rain starting tomorrow. Chances tomorrow, but basically not many, minimal, nothing to really worry about quite yet. But just, I kind of want to, and we kind of want to get it done. Odds are we'll not cultivate the Milo this year due to having the 32 done, and just kind of, we've got some Milo that we got the replant Milo that's, yeah, it's basically, it's tall, It's short. You got the mixed bag of everything in there. So yeah, I'm quite sure we won't be cultivating the Milo this year, but we will just kind of guess and test from that. Sorry, I'm cutting out a rock chip. Trying to get all the wheat. But we shall see on that, so time will tell. I'm going to go with my uncle now. But nope, that's where we will be at from there and just kind of guess and test. Sorry, get my header back level as well. So, but nope, looks to be a good crop. Double crop beans are going into moisture. Now we got one farm that they will not be going into moisture. But we shall see. So, I can't think of anything else. Yeah. Yeah, I'm drawing a blank on that, so yeah, unfortunately not much to add really, just getting close to the end here, so that's going to be a good feeling, and beating the rain chances for tomorrow, what they say, so that will be nice to beat all them, and just be over and done. I think it'll fit my semi, I just don't know. I'm just not sure it will fit my semi, but I think it will. I think it'll fit mine just fine, I think. Pretty sure. Turn around here and I'll probably end this, guys. Just kind of getting down to the short rows, point rows, and kind of the fun stuff you farm. At least what we do. It's just kind of, yeah. Yeah, I think I'll end this video there.